enjoying a walk around several lakes in the Cinco Ranch development of Katy, Texas. What's particularly striking are the mature water oaks. And it's interesting to see as they age and mature, they open up quite a bit. And so that could have been from storm loss, hurricanes, pruning, but my sense is that they're becoming, just as with maturity in full sun, they're opening up. If we look at this canopy here, you can see that. They're perfectly sited around a lake. The branches hang down, they become very wide. So it's roughly as wide as they are tall. In their youth, they are more upright, I would say, more taller than they are wide.